be disappointed. I'll show up early to help with the morning delivery. Don't turn left.
One of them had a giant eye in the middle of his face.
Oh, Lilo.
You know I have no choice.
No! You're not taking her! I'm the only one who understands her. You take that away, she won't stand a chance.
You're making this harder than it needs to be.
You don't know what you're doing. She needs me.
Is this what she needs? Because it's clear to me that you need her a lot more than she needs you. Lilo! Lilo!
Voilà. Let's go.
He ruined everything. You're one of them? Get out of here, Stitch.
Surprise! And here I thought you'd be difficult to catch. Oh, silly me.
Lilo? Lilo!
There you go, all buckled up for the trip. And look, I even caught you a little snack.
Okay, talk. I know you had something to do with this. Now, where is Lilo? Talk! I know you can.
Okay.
Where's Lilo?
Lilo.
Now, all your nothing is up.
You're under arrest. Freedom is rights.
Listen carefully.
Hello, Galactic Command. Experiment 626 in custody. We'll wait right here.
Where's Lilo? Lilo. My sister.
Sorry, we do not know anyone by this.
Lilo! She's a little girl this big. She has black hair and brown eyes and she hangs around with that thing!
We know her.
Bring her back.
Oh, we can't do that. That would be misuse of galactic resources.
Função.
The problem is, we're just here for him.
She's gone.
Look at the bright side. You won't have to yell at anyone anymore. Oh, Hannah.
Huh?
Hey, get away from her.
No! What did you say?
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
Gets left behind.
or forgotten. Yeah. Hey, Jumba Gably.
What? After all you put me through, you expect me to hand you just like that? Just like that? Fine.
Fine. You're doing what he says.
He's Very persuasive.
Persuasive? What exactly are we doing?
Rescue.
We're gonna get Lilo?